echoed what the president has said repeatedly, that really we have come out of a very rigorous campaign period. Kenyans have gone through some very tough times in the past 12 months or so, and that really, after the handshake happened, that it is time for us to focus on sorting out the matters that always put us back into the problems that we see every time we go into an election. So I am sure that all those people making noise about 2022, they are aware that their chances continue to diminish every day, because at the end of the day, when it comes to the discussion about who's going to be president in 2022, there are very difficult questions that we as Kenyans are going to ask about the candidates, and people must present the credentials that they have. I don't think that it is my turn is an argument for president, or that you owe me a debt is an argument for president. So I'm sure that those proponents of these early campaigns in 2022 are aware that the chances of DP becoming president in future continue to diminish by the day.
Yeah.